Take all that stuff off of the console that could spill, because I'm not getting fired for this.
Okay.
All right.
All right, ready?
I'm going to hit the eyeball with this big metal pipe. Here we go. Here we go.
Go. Okay, good.
All right, one hit. I didn't break it.
Okay.
I didn't break it.
Hey,
how's it going? You know.
Oh, look, the snacks are coming out.
Oh, the snacks are coming out. Okay, here we go. I can't get a real good hit on it because it's like...
Ready? Oh, a snack came out.
One snack came out, and it's Lucas Gusano Dolce de...
That's a liquid can.
All right, throw it again. Throw it again. I only busted open one part here. I gotta...
Okay, don't fix the
come
wall
out with a
later.
little
Fix
paint.
the wall later.
Right. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, this thing is like made of steel. No, don't rip it. No. I gotta bust this thing open. Now, what kind of... You throw like a girl.
I threw it in.
Do it again.
Okay.
Steve Carlton, you're not. Oh, right into Mary's computer. Computer down. All right, one more shot. We'll see if I can bust it. I can't get a good, like...
Just...
No, because I'm going to... What? Over there?
Okay.
Wait, Robert's going to come in and show me a better way to hit this thing.
How about he throws it at you?
You're right-handed, right?
I am right-handed.
You need to come over here.
Yeah.
So you have a little more room like
There you
this,
go.
see?
Yeah.
Get in
And
the
all you
corner,
have to do is make
JT.
sure you don't hit the glass.
I'm not
Just
guaranteed.
start from here. If she puts it here, you can boom.
Yeah.
Even if you mess up, you're going to end up on the wall here.